Squarespace Tutorial for Beginners Ultimate Guide to Master Squarespace 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll walk you step by step through how to master Squarespace even if you're starting from zero. By the end, you'll have a beautiful mobile friendly website ready to go live, complete with your own branding, pages, blog, and even an online store. Okay, now let's get straight head to squarespace.com and then click get started, and it's showing loading. Let's try login. Okay, it is taking us to a page, so let's click on create account. So you can create account with Google or any other email or Apple, Facebook, etc. I'll go for continue with Google, and now it's loading. Okay, now it's showing my Google account, so I'll go with my Google account. I clicked into my Google account and it's loading, and I'll click continue. I'm creating my account. First of all, we should pick a template category that fits our goal. It can be store, blog, portfolio, personal site, and all. Okay, now in this page, we should select what category template should we need. So let's for now go with beauty. I'll click the next button. So it's asking me, what do you want to do with your website? Offer a contact from sell products. Let's go for sell products, and then next. And so here I can see two options like build a template or choose a template. Build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI, or I can go choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. So as I am making a beginner friendly video, so I'll go with the designer template. So here I can see pre-built templates. I can just edit this template as my choice and need. Let's select one template so that we can start building it and show you how to step by step edit your home page and other key pages. So I'll go with this one, Maka. Right? Okay, let's go with this one. So here I can see continue to customize styles that features and more when start trial. So I can select color palette. So I'll select the first one. Start with this design. It's setting things up and take me to a page where the pre-built template is, and then I can edit it as my choice. Okay, now here I can see many options like setup guide, website pages, style assets, and all. So first of all, from the dashboard, we'll go to the pages, and then it will show us something like this. And we need to go to the home, and so it took me to the home section. In the home section, we can edit text and our site title, and we can also add home ingredients, stock list, FAQs, shipping and returns, and all. So we can click into sections and edit text, swap images, track layouts, add new sections using the plus icon, and testimonials, calls to action, image grids, and all. Then we can say that why the homepage is your first impression. Clean, bold messaging here sets the tone for everything else. So especially on mobile. So when you are building your own website, make sure to build the home page first, and then about the creating key pages like about page, then contact page, then blog page, adding categories, first post, schedule content, and why these pages build trust and improve discoverability. Even a simple blog helps boost SEO and establish credibility. So if I try to edit everything now, the video will be big and it will not look good. So you can edit on your own creativity, and you should make these pages look simple but attractive because these pages build trust and improve discoverability. Even a simple blog helps boost SEO and establish credibility. So in the next step, customize your branding. So for that, go to design and site style. So we'll be going to styles. Here you can see you can edit everything from here. You can add section here and just write anything you feel it will be good for your making your website. And then you should do the mobile optimization plus layout tuning. For that, you have to click on the preview option, and you can see the mobile view here. So you should adjust image sizes, padding and spacing as you like, and add is switchable. And then you also need to test clickable elements like buttons on menus, and a question can occur in your mind that why why do you need to set up a mobile optimization and layout tuning? That's because over 70% of the traffic comes from phone. If your site isn't mobile optimized, you're leaving money and credibility on the table. So it's very important. So after that, you have to click commerce and add products. So you can see products and services. There we will find the products section, and we can add products or services you like. As you can see, as it's a pre-built template, so here's some demo products and all, and you can click here and just add title, change the images, add pricing, description and all, and the stocks also. And then, and on the last, you have to connect a Stripe or PayPal. Connect Stripe or PayPal under payment, because everything you are doing to earn or some extra cash or the main source of income for you. So then you should configure shipping and tax. Here you can see under setting we have many other options like website, domain, email, customer notification, brand, selling, and all. So we'll be clicking on selling, and as here you can see the business information, payment, and customer accounts, lows, stock alerts, and everything, checkouts, and most of the important things are taxes. You need to configure shipping and tax under this settings option, and you can ask why. Whether it's a digital product or physical item, Squarespace lets you monetize fast without plugins or code. So it will be better if you do that. So after that, you can connect your domain and publish that. So for that, after going to settings menu, you can see here are some option like domains and email. So after clicking on that, you can see here the domain. After clicking domain, you can get a domain or use a domain that you already own. So it will connect to your website with your domain, and people will see your domain as your website. So then you can publish the site also. So going live feels huge, but Squarespace handles security, mobile, and speed by default. So you can launch with confidence. And that's all. You just built a complete website using Squarespace, customized pages, branded your layout, added a store, optimized for mobile, and published live. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.